Good morning, students. Today we are going to read lesson number 12. So now Della's beautiful hair fell about like a cascade. Cascade means a small waterfall of brown water. So, two most precious things were there. First of Della's beautiful hair, and the second was Jim's wrist watch, gold wrist watch. So, Della's beautiful hair fell about like a small waterfall of brown water. It reached below her knees, and the length of her hair was below her knees, and made itself also a garment for her. And the hair was like a garment, means dress for her. And then she did it up again, and then she took her hair up again nervously and quickly. And she was nervous and quickly. She took it up. Once she hesitated. Hesitated means not sure what to do or not. Once she hesitated for a minute, and when she took her hair up, then she was hesitated for a minute, and she stood there still, miss, without moving, while a tear or two splashed on the old red crab. And while that time she was weeping, the and the tears were rolling down over her cheeks, and all the old red crept. On went her means put. Then she put her old brown jacket, and then she put her old brown hat, with the brilliant sparkle still in her eyes. And with the brilliant sparkle in her eyes, she went out of the door. She come out of the door, and down the stairs to street, and then she come down the stair in the street. Where she stopped, the sign read Meme means Madam Saffron. Here goods means item of all kinds. One flight up. Flight up means she ran to the stairs. Della ran, panting means breathing quickly. And where she stopped, there was a sign. There written Madame Saffron. Here goods of all kinds. This sign was theirs. And then Della, she she go upstairs by running, and she was panting, means she was breathing quickly. Madame, will you buy my hair? Asked Della. And Della asked Madam, will you buy my hair? I buy hair, said Madam. And Madam said, yes, I will buy your hair. Take your hat off, put your hat off, and let's have a sight at the looks of it, and show me your hair. Down rippled the brown castle, and when she untied open her hair, then there were like a waterfall of brown color. $20, said Madam. Lifted the mass with the practice hand, and the Madam said that she will give $20 for her hair by lifting her hair in her practice hand. Give it to me quickly, said Della, and Della said, okay, give that $20 to me quickly. Oh, and the next 2 hours went by on rosy wing. Rosy wing means excited. And the next 2 hours she go to the market with the excitement. She was ransacking the stores. Ransacking means searching through every part the stores for Jim present, and she was searching in all the stores for the Jim's present. She found it at last, but at last she found a gift for Jim. It surely had been made for Jim and no one else. And she said that the gift she chose for the Jim, it was only for Jim and for no one else. There was no other like it in any of the other store. And she said that in any other store there was no other gift like this, and she had turned all of them inside out. It was a platinum, for platinum is a metal. And she said that the gift was of platinum. For means the chain, which a short chain with which attached to a watch. Simple and pure in design. The chain was simple and it was pure, means pure in design, means decoration. Properly proclaiming. Proclaiming means announcing its value by its material alone, and not by ornamentation, means decoration. And that platinum fob chain, that was simple and pure in designing, and the quality of the material was announcing, and not by the decoration, as all good things should do. And how the all good things announcing their material quality. It was so like this, the fob chain was good in quality. It was even worthy to the watch. Even worthy means good for, and the fob chain also very useful for the watch. Okay, good enough for the watch. As soon as she saw it, she knew that it must be for Jim. And when she saw the fob chain, she knew that it is only for Jim. It was like him because the fob chain was like him, quietness and the value. And it means two qualities are there, quietness and the value. The description applied to both, and the both quality Jim and watch both having. $21 they took from her for it, and the gift value was $21. And she hurried home with the 87 cent. $21 she gave for the watch, and with 87 cents she came home. With that chain on his watch, Jim might be properly unshamed is worried about the time in any company. And she was thinking, with the chain on his watch, Jim would be anxious means worried about the time in any company. Grand as the watch, as he sometimes looked at it on the slide. Grand as the watch, and he is also grand like the watch. He sometimes look at it on the slide, but with the straps on account of the old leather strap. Leather strap means a long narrow piece, but with the old leather strap, he looked like a slimy, dishonest man.